What's up, guys? So I'm back with a new video, and this is actually my first time opening my Jeep in a month or two, and I know for a fact that my battery is dead. So I'm just gonna show you guys what you're gonna do if your battery dies. Wow, it's like very cold in my Jeep. I don't know why. It's midsummer, but it's like 60 degrees in here. All right, I'm gonna crank it for you, and I'm gonna show you that is not turn on. Wow, completely dead battery. Haven't used it for a month, and I'm not surprised. So I'm going to show you what you do when you do have a completely dead battery. Alright, here's what you want to do, guys. And if you're by yourself and you don't have anyone to jump it, I have this thing. It's a jumper. It has a bunch of stuff. Basically, you just connect the terminals to the battery on your Jeep or your car, whatever. And then you just wait a couple minutes and try to crank it again. But I'm not sure if this will work because my battery is, I feel like it's completely dead. So I'm just gonna try it out and see what happens. So as you can see, I connected it right here. There's the big ass battery. Here's the terminals connected. However, I'm not sure if this is enough juice. I don't think it's going to be enough juice. Simply because the battery is completely dead. And I'm gonna try and crank it, but I don't know what's gonna happen. Alright, here goes nothing. I let it sit for a minute so far. And let's try to turn it on. So it's making noise. It's at 10 or 11 volts. Okay, maybe it can get a little higher. I think it needs around like maybe close to 12 to start. Here goes another one. It's cranking, come on. Here, cranking. Alright, it's not working. It's fine. I'm chill. It's chill. I'm just gonna go get that battery because I know it's probably my fault. I never changed or recharged the jumper battery. I just literally took it out of the house. Yo, what's up, guys? So it's the next day. I couldn't really do it because when I tried to get the battery out, it was raining. A really big tip I can give you guys is if you do plan on taking the battery out of your Jeep, I would recommend, if you have a jack on the hood like I do, take it off because it'll give you more room to work with this. So you can just flip the hood all the way back, because when I was doing it before, it was very difficult and it was hard to get the battery out. So yeah, basically if you take that out, just unplug everything on the battery terminals, just pull it up. It's kind of heavy, but it will work. And yeah, here's it right here. It's been 3 years and it's a pretty shitty battery, but I'm planning on getting the best battery out there. I think it's called like the Odyssey. That's what it's called. It's better than the yellow top Optima batteries too. Whoa, what the hell is this? Do you guys see that shit? That's a huge spider right there. Holy oh my god, I did not know that was there. So yeah, I'm gonna kill this spider, maybe put it somewhere. And oh yeah, the reason why there's a spider in here probably, and spider webs, and the reason why my battery died, it's because I haven't driven the Jeep in such a long time. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the store, either it's AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly's, wherever you have your battery place. You're going to bring back the old battery, so they're going to give you like some money back. What's up, guys? So I'm back with the battery. Here's the new battery right here. They didn't have the Odyssey battery that I was looking for, and I mean, I just ended up getting the Optima. I make it sound like it's terrible. Actually, the Optima is probably like the second best battery that is out there, and this is like the red top too, so better than the yellow top. But yeah, so I got the red top Optima. I'm just gonna put it back in, and what you're going to also need is some dielectric grease. You could buy that in the little packets that they give you when you get new batteries, or I already had some of this laying around my house, and it's literally the same thing, just not colored like red or whatever. But you're going to put the battery in, you're gonna attach all of the terminals, and then you're just going to put some dielectric grease over it once more. Don't mind this. I'm just going to put this into my gas just because I haven't really used or turned on the Jeep for a while.
I just want to clean up some stuff. What's up, guys? So I just finished putting in the battery. Here you can see the terminals. You can see that I already put the dielectric grease on there on both ends. And what you're going to want to do is just get a finger and kind of smudge it all around. So the reason you're doing this is because you're just coating it so there's no corrosion. It prevents corrosion, and you know, it slightly waterproofs it, but that's not the real reason. It's just for corrosion. And that's the same reason why when you buy a new battery, it sometimes comes with the battery pack, the red one, and it's literally the same thing. So yeah, you just do this to try and keep it. I know I have a lot of wires, guys, all right? I know the wire's not the best, but right now I'm not too focused on it because I'm focused on other things, so I don't really. It drives fine, okay? It drives fine. I know, I hear it in the comments right now. Your wires is crazy. You know what? There's no fire. That's all that matters. There's no fire and it works fine. Everything is fine. And I keep maintenance pretty much on check, so nothing ever bad happens or totally bad happens. Hopefully, you know. And watch something bad happen now. But yeah, basically everything's good now. I'm just gonna try and crank up the Jeep and see what happens. All right, guys, here is the first cold start, and it's been like a month and a half. Let's go. You can tell it's working already because it's making noise, but all right, let's go. Damn, started up perfectly. I'm just gonna let it idle for a bit, you know. But so far, it's oh, you can look at the battery status too. Let me try to change it. It's at 13.7 volts. See it right there, which is pretty good. I think everything is good. I'm just gonna go outside, check out some stuff. And yeah, guys, if you guys have any other questions, leave it down below. Changing the battery is pretty simple. The only hard part is that it's heavy and taking it out. It's just, you know, a pain in the butt sometimes. But yeah, that's how you change a battery. It's not too difficult. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.